Don't nonchalantly nod at me after you run me into a bush. Like what?
I think we just actually now I'm retarded when it comes to spelling more.
You're like. Oh, that's a big boy. You want to use him as bait?
I think we got a rig big enough.
Am I recording?
That can,
Is it blinking?
see. Yeah, I'm recording.
Here. There's a big guy. I can barely. I think I need to tweeze this because I can't, like, you know.
Can you swallow it?
Well, he's just too big for me to, like, kind of grip and then get my finger in there. Look at him. That's a big boy. I wonder if I can film him.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Get a water release on him. I'm like sight fishing bluegill right now. There's one. You want me to rig you up a bluegill annihilator, Brandon? Huh? Yeah, I got you. There's some bass over here. Some bass, but they're small.
What am I doing wrong?
You gotta be fast with it. So they lose interest pretty easily, so you gotta like keep plopping it. Because they like eat a lot of butt. At least that's what I understand.
Just rip it as soon as they take the little snag.
Well, you'll see it. So once you see like the color disappear, it's usually in their mouth, and you gotta, because they're smart. Bluegill aren't dumb. They'll like put it in their mouth. See, like they do this. It's like, you ever like chunk bread for like Thanksgiving? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, for like dressing or stuffing. You know, like pull it apart.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what they do. They're like,
Okay.
if that makes sense. It's probably not the best analogy, but
I see what you're saying though.
yeah, I think they like these little like trees. They like shelter. There you go. Pull it. I get excited. I like bluegill. You choke it. What was that? The boat is whimpering.
The boat with the fish. No, I can't see him.
Oh, you can't see?
Yeah, I can't see him. Maybe the glare? No.
Oh, that's why. Yeah, try these.
Oh yeah, that helps.
See him right there? We gotta come over here. Oh, he's running away. Yeah, it's the biggest one you got.
Mm-hmm.
He's a decent size. He's pretty chunky.
Not quite there. Almost.
Almost. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. You see him? Oh, damn it. It's almost like the same one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's another one. I wonder if he'll take it again. It's a different one, don't worry.
I thought it was the same guy.
No. That one's different. Oh, I gotta look up. I wonder if males and females look different.
I think I imagine the orange on the chest is different in males and
Yeah,
females.
because I mean that one's pretty big and it
just doesn't have that.
doesn't
bright
have any orange.
color.
Yeah.
No.
All these nice sized bluegill on a small piece of pink plastic. I don't see any. I don't see any of the big ones over here. I wonder if I can tease them out. Oh, I meant back it up or we're gonna get, it's gonna be too low for the motor. Ah, he might have been the biggest one.
I think so.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I'm sure they're here too, but I saw a congregation of them on that side. Where are you taking us? What? I meant that side. Don't nonchalantly nod at me after you run me into a bush. Like what?
I think we just actually now I'm retarded when it comes to strong mode.
You like when we drift, take us like right there. There's some bass. Oh, there's a lot of gill here. They're not big. I don't know, that one at the end kind of looked pretty decent.
Yeah, he's alright.
Ooh, he's fighting. I also have the drag like as low as possible, so it's at least some enjoyment. Oh, right there, right there. Swing it, just swing it. There you go. Wait for it, wait for it. Go, go.
You got that son of a bitch. It's not gonna go for this, but
It might. If it's a sucker, it might. Unless it's like a giant live bait.
yeah, I have no clue.
And like someone lost it, I don't know. It doesn't look interested at all.
No.
It might be dead. Lovely footage. Where'd you put it?
Put what?
The GoPro. Oh, you put it on. It goes on your neck, you dweeb.
Yeah, keep poking it.
Dude, they're sharp. I've suffered more pain and inconvenience from bluegill than I have any fish in my life. I wonder if there's any back here.